How much do you know about home remodeling? Test your knowledge with this quick and fun pop quiz. Discover remodeling tips, trends, and must-know facts. Ready to challenge yourself? Let's go!
What is the standard rise, height, of a residential stair step according to most building codes? The answer is 7 inches. Which material is considered the most energy efficient for windows? The answer is fiberglass. In bathroom remodeling, what is the minimum required ceiling height above a shower or tub? The answer is 6 feet 8 inches. Which of these woods is the hardest, making it most durable for hardwood flooring? The answer is hickory. If you remove a wall in a home, what must you check before demolition? The answer is if the wall is load-bearing. Got them all correct? Thanks for taking the quiz. And stay tuned for more.